Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an application not working on your Android phone. So it could be YouTube, for example. So what you want to do is go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down on here until we get to Apps. Okay, here's Apps. Go to See All. Then we can find the app under here. So YouTube's way at the bottom. Here's YouTube. And we'll click it. Now the first thing we want to do is go to Force Stop. Go to OK. So it stopped the application from running. Then go to Storage and Cache. Then go to Clear Cache. Now you can try relaunching the app to see if it worked. Now another thing you could do is go to Clear Storage. Now if you go to Clear Storage, this is going to sign you out of your YouTube account. So if you have your email address and password in there, you can go to Clear Storage and it should sign you out. So most time when you do that, force stop it. Now you can also go to Disable. If you disable this app, Android and other apps may no longer function as intended. So we go to disable the app, and then we could just try re-enabling it right there. Also, you could just simply delete the app and then re-download it. So if we want to do that, is there an option to delete YouTube here? I don't see an option to delete it under here. So we can uninstall the updates. Since it came with my phone, for some reason I'm not able to delete it. So maybe if we went to a different, here's one. I can uninstall it right there and then just reinstall it through the Google Play Store. So I think that was like a Roborock or something, Roborock. So I can just re-download it through here. So if you accidentally deleted it, but go ahead and try that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.